Hello, welcome to another episode from Mo and Birdland. Today we are stalking the elusive and potentially lethal Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. We must go slow and very carefully so that we do not disturb her in all her grandeur. There we see baby Elvira in all her glory and grandeur. We must step slowly, purposefully, and safely. We have been spotted. It's important to not show weakness or fear. And there we see it. It's the mum, and we refer to her as Cal. And then once again, there is baby Elvira. And one might wonder, why is she called Elvira? And it would be that she was born shortly before Halloween, and we thought it would be appropriate for a namesake of Elvira. And for decorum, we will allow Elvira to eat in peace. Thank you once again for joining another adventure with Mo and Birdland.